Welcome to the Wood Solutions presentation on natural features in timber and wood products. A tree's genetics, its age and its growth in the forest all impact the visual character of the timber we recover from it. Feature is any visual irregularity or characteristic in the grain of a board or wood product caused by events in the tree's life. In many ways they express the tree's life. Feature is a property of the board or the piece. One board or sheet of veneer from any log may include a particular feature while the next board or sheet may not. However, some features in wood are highly species specific. These include such things as black heart stain in sassafras, resin pockets in pine, and great deal of colour variegation in some northern hardwoods. Common features in timber include knots. Knots result from cutting through branches growing from the trunk of the tree. If plantation hardwood stems are peeled into veneer, the many small branches on the stem are turned into many small knots regularly spaced through the veneer sheet. A similar thing happens when these white cypress trees are sawn. The many branches on the stem naturally result in many frequent knots in the boards. Boards from plantation pines have similar features. Gum vein or kino is a dark material that the tree produces when it's recovering from a fire or mechanical damage. It is very common in timber from eucalypts. In veneer or board, gum vein can be a subtle feature that provides visual liveliness to the surface. In other material, gum vein can be a highly prominent and a determinate feature. Black speck, hobnail and other insect marks are also common, again predominantly in eucalypts. These are marks left in the wood from insects that will live within it. Like knots, the appearance of the insect marks or trail will differ depending on the angle or the cut through of the insect's path. Different types of stain can also appear in wood. Stain results from either decay or bacterial infections occurring in the trunk. It can result in subtle coloration in the timber or in intensely striking effects, such as there are in rare black heart sassafras veneers. Old trees can also produce burls in the wood or on the outside of the stem. Veneer like this can be cut from the most dramatic of these. They are also regularly turned into bowls or similar craft objects. However, in sawn timber the effect can be often much more subtle. In summary, feature is any visual irregularity or imperfection in the grain of a tree, log, board or other wood product caused by events in the tree's life. Features in the timber result from the growth pattern of the tree, producing knots, fire or mechanical damage, producing gum, vein or kino, insect mark, producing hobnail and similar marks, and decay or bacterial infection, producing stain and black heart stain.